Welcome to CollegeReadyMath's order of operations. In this lesson, we'll be learning about the order of operations and the use of parentheses. So the things we do in algebra, like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and so on, are called operations. And sometimes we have to perform two different operations, or even more than two in the same problem. And then the question arises, what should we do first? Mathematicians have set up a set of rules called the standard order of operations. And here are the rules. If there's more than one operation, first perform any operations in parentheses. Next, work with exponents. Then multiply and divide. And finally, add and subtract. Let's take a look at an example. Simplify 8 squared divided by 4 minus 2 times 5. Now, there are no parentheses in this problem, so we begin by squaring the 8. 8 squared is 64. So the expression becomes 64 over 4 minus 2 times 5. The order of operations tells us that multiplication and division come next. In this problem, we have one of each. So what should we do first? For multiplication and division, we work from left to right. And this is true for addition and subtraction as well. 64 divided by 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. So far, we have 16 minus 10. And finally, we come to step 3, addition and subtraction. 16 minus 10 is 6, and that's the correct solution. 8 squared over 4 minus 2 times 5 is simply 6. Now try this one yourself. Work one step at a time and remember the order of operations. The correct solution is 3. Remember the order of operations tells us first parentheses, and then work out the exponents. Then multiply and divide from left to right. Here is the correct solution. 2 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Divided by 6. 2 times 9 is 18, divided by 6. Finally, 18 divided by 6 is 3. If there happen to be any roots in the expression, say square roots or cube roots, we handle them along with exponents. So we can change that rule to be work with exponents or roots, also known as radicals. Numerators and denominators are treated like parentheses. So if the numerators and denominators need to be simplified, do that first. And the expression under a radical sign is also treated like a parenthesis. Let's take a look at another example. So here we have 10 minus the square root of 9 all divide by 5 plus 4 squared. Now remember, the numerator and denominator are treated like parentheses. We have to simplify them before we do anything else. In the numerator, the radical has top priority. So we start with the square root of 9, which is 3. Then we subtract 10 minus 3 equals 7. Next, the denominator. So here the top priority goes to the exponent. 4 squared is 16. 5 plus 16 is 21. So the original fraction is simply 7 divided by 21, or 1/3. Parentheses are our tool for grouping numbers, and we must simplify them first. Imagine that there are a package, so don't try to split it up. Start here. Here, we see 2 parentheses alongside each other. So our job is to simplify the contents of the parenthesis first, and then multiply. Okay, let's try it. Inside the first parentheses, we have 14 minus 3 squared. Now we handle the exponent first because it has priority. 3 squared is 9, and 14 minus 9 equals 5. Now for second parentheses, here the radical has priority. The square root of 25 is 5. And 7 plus 5 is 12. And all that's left now is to multiply 5 times 12. The solution is 60. parentheses inside parentheses. What does this mean? To evaluate an expression like this, always begin with the innermost parentheses. So their priority is highest, and then move out to the next pair of parentheses. A lot of what we did on this lesson looks like ordinary arithmetic. So why is it part of the course in algebra? Because in algebra, the only things allowed are things that work for all numbers. There you go. You finished the order of operations.